Well, ZNS News has learned that several attorneys reportedly involved in that Sir Lyndon Pilling Estate saga may face some serious consequences if they are found to have acted negligently.
Don Davis sat down with the head of the Bahamas Bar Association to discuss the legal aspects of the issue and what can be done to avert land disputes.
The persons who are conducting these transactions, and most certainly if some of these transactions are of recent vintage in terms of 2014, 13, 2012, 2009, 2008. How didn't you pick this up? Invite them to go and get themselves a good lawyer to look into this, because somebody may be liable for the injury that they are now suffering.
President of the Bahamas Bar Association, Ellsworth Johnson, says he's deeply concerned over the fact that a proper investigation into the title searches for homeowners in the Sir Lyndon Pilling Estates area was not properly carried out. Johnson says after a potential homeowner retains the expertise of an attorney, it is the responsibility of that lawyer to seek the services of a competent title searcher before purchasing a piece of land. But Johnson claims that in this case, it seems that did not happen.
What went wrong? The Privy Council looked at what any reasonable person would have done in the circumstances in terms of doing a search, going to the registry to see whether or not, the Supreme Court registry, to see whether or not any court actions were filed in terms of those properties, whether or not anybody else had any claim to the properties. And it seems trite, it seems simple, but here you have a lot of persons are in a serious dilemma.
Johnson says the implementation of a land registry in the Bahamas is the only way to stop potential homeowners from being taken advantage of.
The conditions of transferring land, or how we conduct land transactions in the Bahamas, create these difficulties. And difficulties in the Privy Council indicated that the Quieting of Titles Act, as it stands, creates an environment for theft. And so what we need is land registry in the Bahamas that would cure all of this. And you really wouldn't need a lawyer basically to do what we call all this title search.
The Bar Association president is now recommending that the government swap land with Arawak Homes in an effort to assist those persons who may have to pay a second mortgage. Additionally, he is asking that those homeowners who feel that their attorneys did not act responsibly to contact the ethics marshal as soon as possible. Don Davis, ZNS Network News.